Right guys, we've got a termite problem, and it's a very big problem. There's parts of the floor at the minute, the roof struts, they're okay at the moment, but like you see these, they're totally rotten. You can put your fingers through them.
Yeah, look.
Same under there. Oben, who's doing it, you can see it's moving just with a foot. It's all the way along the floor there.
Look. Oh.
The termites were coming through the floor here. It's coming through the floor there. Look, the boards have gone. It's worse than we thought. The windows just collapsed. Oh shit! Sorry about that. All that you can see is gone. All this is gone. That's gone. It's rotten. That's rotten. It's just rotten to bits. We've got to take the side off because Oben says, the guy who's repairing, he says it's all got to be replaced. See, what I should have done is not listen to anybody else and cover it in oil. They say, oh no, it's a fire hazard. Look, if this goes up, oil or not, it'll go up within minutes because the whole of the top floor is wood. And of course, it's holding the roof up. All these are coming out because it's all rotten. It's got to be replaced. I can't believe how bad it is. Yeah, I've shown them that. It's all bad. It all goes into the storeroom as well. My foot went through the floor in the store. So, I'm just wondering if there's anybody out there who'd like to help us get this repaired, because it's got to be, we've got to lift all the boards up. There's some of the wood, like I say, not been affected yet, which we're going to cover in oil and grease. But I mean, look at the boards. All the boards are like this. They're full of woodworm. My foot went through the floor over there before Oben took the board up. The kids sleep over on that side. The floor's the same. All that's got to come up. We've got to check all the sides. All this has got to be replaced. It's a nightmare. I mean, this should have lasted longer than it has, and everything's just rotten to bits. There's a piece of wood, I threw it out there, it's gone. It's a right mess. There's rats running across the floor every night. I'm going to try and get Oben to seal it off because they're coming from next door. Then they're going into this storeroom and they're making nests and stuff. You can see the window over there is just disintegrating. So I mean, this bit, guys, is just totally rotten. Oben's got to cut it all out. All this has to come up. All the other floorboards has to come up. The whole of the side, he has to go outside, pull all the metal down.
He said, Ruben, that he needs to replace because if you just put one plywood, it's gonna affect all again.
Yeah, the infected ones are gonna affect the new ones. Yeah,
it's gonna affect. That's why he said needs to replace.
Oh, this is all we need.
I asked him how much it goes.
What? How much you say?
Said around 50.
50,000.
I said to him, why so expensive? He said, because the plywood is not cheap, it's very expensive, even the wood. Oh my god.
So I guess this is a begging video, guys. You know, all the trolls accuse me of begging, so they can accuse me this time. We could really do with some help. If anybody out there, kind-hearted, could
us. We need it.
can help us get this sorted out, we'd really appreciate it. So it's just a quick video to show you the situation we're in again. I mean, this was only, when was it done, Mel, this? About 4 years ago? 5 years ago? No, maybe 5 years ago.
Because I know.
Yeah. So even though some of the wood's okay, it's spreading. We've got to treat it. I'm gonna, like that one. I'm going to pour Sunrocks into it.
Honey, where's the key? Oh, bike. Because Hobin will need...
It's hung up though.
No, you bike. He will get the size. Ano? The circular.
Well, it's not locked up, is it?
I don't know. I will look.
It's not locked up, babe.
He will get the circular.
Oh, he's going to get the circular saw because he's got to cut.
Ben!
He's got to cut the whole lot out and then replace it. So all this has to come up. Well, it all has to come up. We've got to check all the beams because we're walking along, guys, and it's just spongy. The boards have got termites in them, so they've all got to be replaced. I mean, this one, look, the termites were coming through. I poured some Sunrocks in and they've gone. But look, you can see that's rotten. It's not good, not good. So anyway, guys, it's probably not the video you wanted to see. So if anybody out there with a good heart can help us, we'd appreciate it. Oh, it's just like balsa wood. And this is holding the roof up, guys. So that's it. Please subscribe, please share our videos. The views, would really appreciate it on this lovely day in the Philippines. So please subscribe, please like, please share our videos, very important, and make sure the notification bell does not have a strike through it. And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye bye.